The businesses in downtown Davenport formed their own coalition this week. They want the city to do more to help them after the flood of 2019. The Downtown Davenport Business Coalition outlined 4 demands from the city in an open letter. They are proactive and transparent communication, a written promise of flood protection by August 1st. They want the city to streamline the rebuilding process and to include 2 of their representatives on the city's new flood task force. Local 4's Tahira Rahman joins us live in the newsroom with the coalition's call to action. Tahira.
Jim, leaders of the coalition say they don't blame the city for flooding, but they're unhappy with how the city handled it. And right now they want a say in how the city moves forward.
The city didn't create the flood. It's not their fault that there was a flood.
Dan Bush owns 3 businesses in the city. This week, he helped start the Downtown Davenport Business Coalition.
But when these barriers are put up, we were given a false sense of hope that we would be protected. And that's really where the crux of the coalition started.
Normally, an existing group called the Downtown Davenport Partnership helps business owners connect with City Hall. But Rome owner Dylan Stiles says the urgency of the situation moved them to act now.
So eventually, if we can get an agenda set and we can get a plan in place, then yeah, we might be able to back off a little bit and let the Davenport Partnership do that for us. But until then, with how time sensitive and how financially sensitive the situation is, we just need to take control of it ourselves for the moment.
Kyle Carter of the partnership says they've pitched in as much as possible, from sandbagging to answering logistical questions about rebuilding.
We've never stopped. All we've done is lived, breathed, and ate this since the minute it happened.
He says he understands the outstanding concerns that have pushed this new coalition to form.
And we've done about all we can in the meantime, but the conversation I think that's being asked for now is the macro level discussion of, well, what will protection look like going forward? How does that interact with the riverfront, and how do we have that confidence that we should continue to invest at the pace that we have?
Bush and Stiles say business owners want those answers straight from city staff.
A lot of people have lost a lot of money, and there isn't a whole lot left. And so people are really scraping to try to get it together to come back. And we just love this downtown business community. It's been fantastic, and we don't want the party to stop.
Now, coalition leaders say that their letter wasn't an attack on city officials, but actually an invitation. And so far, they've gotten positive feedback. They say they now have a meeting set for Friday with the city administrator. In the newsroom, Tahira Rahman, Local 4 News.
Tahira.